Can you give a quick high-level 3 or 4 bullet points of the real business advantages of implementing a system like Workday Adaptive Planning?
Yeah, no, it's a great question, and I hear this from almost every prospect. You know, why? We work now. I have Excel now, it works. And a finance guy, Excel is my happy place. I always speak to that, but it has its downfalls. A couple of the primary advantages that I see with a tool like Workday Adaptive, it's really all about speed. I speak in terms of bigger, better, faster a lot. It's because by the time I would finish my process in Excel, I had hundreds of Excel files, feeders coming from different people, and the moment I had to make a change, you're starting over,
yeah,
right? Or if you forgot to have one Excel file open, all of a sudden everything falls apart and it's all broken, right? So having that tool that has the speed, the collaboration is huge, especially as I'm seeing more and more of our clients move to a more decentralized process where they're really getting the individuals responsible wherever they are geographically or in their department. They're the ones with their hands working. That doesn't work in Excel.
Yeah.
It's too disjointed, but being able to have everyone work together looking at the same numbers, this version, not you were on V23? I'm on 24, you broke it. Right? All of those games go away. And a lot of that's really the power.